Family and friends, look on this little baby face yacht where I man just have on the screen. You're looking at the Volusia police. Volusia is a county in Florida, South Florida. Well, you have Romario Burrowes. Now, he's charged with over 28 counts of drug possession, trafficking, intention to distribute, and all kind of thing, and have over $6.8 million US bond pan his name. We are going to talk about that right now, ladies and gentlemen, because I man even have some footage. Greetings, and salutations to all nation. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, greetings. You know I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV, ladies and gentlemen, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm asking you family, hit that red subscribe button. And yes, we are going to have a great relationship, people. Look here. I never have a video here, but I want to know if you see that video here, people. It's ridiculous how these Jamaicans are giving away their lives. You're looking at Volusia County. You're looking at the actual apprehension of a wanted criminal. You are going to see him just walk out and the police them just apprehending people. People, at them kind of joke thing you're going in a foreign with look at you them. You are going to. Now, the Volusia County Sheriff Office just made that request in a 5-month-long narcotics investigation. The investigation was against Romario J. Burrowes, 21, a Jamaican national. And now he's on 28 counts and a total of $6.8 million bond. He was taken into custody with no incident in Daytona Beach Thursday afternoon outside an apartment complex on Jimmy Ann Avenue. Over the course of the investigation, an undercover detective made multiple controlled purchases of heroin, fentanyl, and meth from Burrowes, and the amount of drug totals 482 grams of heroin, 229.4 grams of fentanyl, and 169 grams of methamphetamine, a sheriff office spokesperson said. During Thursday arrest, an executive order was given execution of the search warrant. Detectives said they seized another 103 grams of fentanyl, 410 grams of meth, and 43 oxycodone pills, 4 handguns, a little more than $1,000 in cash, and narcotics paraphernalia. You can see the different items that has been seized in the raid. Burrowes faced several charges, including multiple counts of trafficking and delivering of fentanyl, heroin, and meth, as well as conspiracy and other crimes. The investigation was a joint effort involving Drug Enforcement Administration of Volusia Bureau of Investigation and the East Volusia Narcotics Task Force. These teams included members of Volusia County Sheriff and partners with the Denland, Edgewater, New Seminar Beach, South Dakota, Daytona, Holy Hill, and Ormond Beach Police Department. This was a joint effort to remove dangerous narcotics from the streets of Volusia County in Florida, United States. Now, the reason why I'm reporting on this is because this is a Jamaican national that was wanted for 28 counts of drug possession, trafficking, and all kind of thing, conspiracy, intent to distribute, and all that. And he's on more than $6.8 million bond. He's not coming out right now. That's why them set the bond at $6.8 million. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a travesty. It's a situation like this where you have a little youth like this, and we all know he's no big drug dealer. Because I like a bit of things him have here, so. They might put the weight on him, pressure him. They already started $6.8 million. Like a yacht. You have to know yourself. This is what occur to many people, ladies and gentlemen, home and abroad. They want to be big. Have a little bit over $1,000. The police in Volusia County is waiting on more information. Maybe they can take up a bigger dog. But you're not leaving jail. Unfortunate Romario Burrowes. It's a shame. Another young Jamaican, 20-something-year-old, young youth, only 21, just became an adult. And that's the way they do it, people. Them set you up. Nothing more than the same people that are arresting him, beat him, switch him, know say him hungry, willing for work, and gave him the drugs. I have no doubt that is probably FBI or CIA set him up. But me know him and no big man. No 21-year-old Jamaican a make or produce heroin, meth, or any of these kind of hard drugs. When you talk about drugs, people, you're talking about these kind of products. You're talking about meth. You're talking about fentanyl. You're talking about crack, cocaine. Those are the things you're talking about. Heroin. I've never, ever in my whole life heard of one Jamaican having these drugs, much less multiple of these drugs. I've never heard of a Jamaican getting locked up for heroin, fentanyl, methamphetamine, and all them things there at one time. So nothing more than a big man. Look at the youth here. You can't see I want like a baby this. You can tell. You can't tell say this a youth here want like a baby. And him allow himself to be picked off by the carnivorous wretch called Babylon. His stupidity and his greed and hunger for the money allow him to be swiped away. A whole heap of money when man say him give you a bond for $6.8 million, you know. Because if I did me, a man get locked up and chat about 6.8 million, me I tell my family to keep the money and make me go and bill. A whole heap of money that, brother. Anyone that goes to bail him is getting arrested immediately. That's why them set the bail like that. Him cannot come out for now. Fentanyl, heroin, meth, rotted boy. Might as well you did take a death penalty. It's going to be difficult because you're going to have to give up who you're getting these drugs from if you want to see the light again. Because you're going to spend a lot of time in the state pen. I'm talking about federal state pen. Yaganti, here is another look at the eye in the sky. I saw them do it a foreign, don't you ask me why. them get knowledge, them technology, upgrade, in the ear, they all about the place. You see how them swooping upon him? Him not even get a chance to react. Him not even get a chance. We say D, nar, do. Look how easy. Now the man them are going inside of place. And I go show you where them find. You are going to see my family. Them say them find Tolly. And them find more jugs with little baggy. That means him did have the intention for this to be out. The Volusia County Police Department is proud at this moment. They are proud of their officers. Just like how you're proud of the Approach TV, bringing the other news. Real Youth TV.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV.
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure you tune in the year every time.
So, because you know, say, the pros are the real youths, and we are dealing with free youths. Me know, say, the youth are not big drug dealers still. But unfortunately, you go take the Babylon pill and I try sell out your life for some money. And Babylon I say, yo, you take with it funny, we are got done it. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV, and I'm reporting here live. Romario J. Burrowes has been captured with no incident in Volusia County, Daytona area. You are going to see it's an unfortunate situation that the young 21-year-old is going to spend probably most of his life, the rest of his life, in a Jamaican federal penitentiary for possession, intent to distribute, and all kind of charges, multiple weapons, multiple guns, multiple ammunition, multiple drugs, intent to distribute, all kind of thing. And these are hard drugs. We don't talk about cigarette, or beer, or look at marijuana. We are talking about fentanyl. We are talking about heroin. We are talking about methamphetamine. Never in my life I ever heard a Jamaican get caught with 3 different drugs that's on such a hard narcotics list. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, and I'm reporting the news live. Miss sorry if this a youth a Romario. It's unbelievable. You couldn't get yourself caught up like this, General. It's a shame. Another Jamaican national caught up in the grasp of Babylon. Romario is only 21 and he's now on bond for $6.8 million US after facing he's caught up on 28 drug charges. Boy, me don't say me feel sorry for you, but me not even can feel sorry for myself. I'm more life and I'm more joy. Me I wish everybody and I'm more happiness. Do not mess with drugs, children. You end up like Romario, 28 counts of drug charge and $6.8 million bail. If me have $6.8 million, success, pay herbs me a burn. Succeed, success, succeed. Yes, success. Success means you are happy in a life. You don't look good. You're not pretty at all, people. It's not pretty at all. Not for Romario. 28 counts of hard drug charges. $6.8 million US. You're mad. Good luck. I hope you have a good attorney. But me know you can't make bail. So the drug dealing fail. People, you cannot sell drugs and can't bail yourself. and depending on someone else. Me not put up my $6.8 million for you, because I'm not even weed with sell. A heroin, fentanyl, and them thing there. Hard drugs? We don't deal with hard drugs. We deal with hard love. Bless up on yourself, family.